teman ya di kamsai jai mong.
Teman ko pa miya meh. Yang hana hab mudu ya hu MLA sungi.
Mana muda yang boleh jungi?
Tip sino meh mga. Abang alim ta la post nyang buat show.
की खबर का बातें से टीवी का उम्दी बशnyam bak penjaslian Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Working President ke National People's Party Markus Marak ubalong ru menteri ke Sarkar Jala ulai thu baka parti ke Shim Rai Khadu ya ke Kyrtong je Kyrtong ke ban Aireng ha ke Elekshon Shakagaru Hills Autonomous District Council ke ban Selongshan ha ke ba ke Jied ke Kyrtong on sependam no Mynta ke Taïew ulai thu baka NPP ke penyeng Kyrtong ha baro ap Kunaitli constituency bat kidan ru nyongut ke Kyrtong ke ba panjerap na ke parti ha ki katu kat ni ke bentah.
With regard to GHDC elections, we are at the final stages of selecting our candidates. We'll be finalizing our final candidates within this week probably, and we'll be declaring all the candidates very soon. And we are working on some other constituencies now. Some of them have already been finalized, but we have not declared yet. It's kept pending because we need to have a discussion with our committee members as well. So we are at the final stage of considering the candidate. We will contest all the constituencies in Ghadc.
How many applicants are there total?
I didn't count because some of the constituencies, 7 candidates were there. 7 applicants for party sponsorship, and some were only 1, 2 are very few. Single applicants are very few, only 3, 4 I think. Others though, all there are multiple applicants are there. Well, I'm very, I would say that maybe Congress might be the next party who will be fighting with us. Also, what I'm hearing, TMC is not going to put up candidates. That's what I was told, but I don't know what that is, an internal matter of the party, so therefore I don't have much knowledge about that. But what I'm hearing, they're not going to put up any candidates. Party is a party, they were there, they have MLAs also at one point of time. Let's see, let the time come and then we'll see which parties are coming for elections to contest. That's what I was told, that they're not putting up any candidates. They have even asked their sitting MPs to contest independently.